Hi, my name is Gagan Madan. I'm part of the AWS SaaS Factory team, and I lead the SaaS Competency partner program here in EMEA. Today, I have the honor of having CloudZone in this episode of Building SaaS on AWS. CloudZone is one of our top performing SaaS competency partners here in EMEA. They've helped hundreds of our customers transform their SaaS solutions on AWS, whether it's at the early stage of building a SaaS solution or optimizing an existing SaaS solution, or for that matter, defining co-sell strategies to drive their SaaS on AWS business using the AWS marketplace. Before we dive deep into understanding what CloudZone is all about from a SaaS perspective, what's their unique approach, and what do they have to offer, I'd like to request the team for a quick round of introduction. Maggie, would you like to kick it off?
Yeah, thanks for having us here today, Gagan. I'm Maggie Schneider, GM EMEA at CloudZone. With me is Chaim Ben Chaim, our Chief Business Officer, and Amir Khazoum, Senior Pre-Sale Engineer.
Perfect. Yeah, cool. So let's get right into it. So to begin with, are you able to share an introduction about what CloudZone is all about and speak about your SaaS practice, any unique SaaS offerings that you guys put together, and what is that unique differentiation and the approach that you take while working with customers in their SaaS journey?
So CloudZone, we're the cloud subsidiary of Matrix, one of the leading global system integrators. We were founded in 2009, and we're a premier partner of AWS, operating throughout EMEA and the US. Our mission is to empower our customers to achieve their business outcomes by providing operational excellence throughout their cloud journey. From our years of experience with hundreds of customers, supporting them across various industries, including security and compliance, fintech, healthcare, life science, and more, we identified SaaS as a key focus and significant growth opportunity for our customers. With a customer-centric approach, we built a sustainable SaaS practice that assists customers at every stage of their SaaS journey, from building, optimizing, and scaling their SaaS solutions. Our approach reduces time to market and offers flexibility in deployment. We help scale production environments, ensure efficient development with high quality throughout the entire life cycle, and optimize resiliency using AWS as a foundation. What differentiates CloudZone is our ability to help businesses compete at the highest levels by enabling faster innovation. We help our customers deliver fast, scalable, and tailored solutions that meet their specific business needs. By thoroughly evaluating their business requirements, we guide our customers towards the right AWS solutions that align with their business and technical goals.
No, perfect. Thanks. I think that's very evident looking at the scale that you operate with and the number of customers that you've been helping. And it's like just early days, right? You've been in the SaaS competency program been about 6 months now, but you're really kind of at the top of the chart trying to help our customers. So there are many customers that you've helped with the SaaS transformation journey, but are you able to share a recent win, some insights into a recent win, the architectures that you put together for them, and the AWS services that you leverage to help with the customer's SaaS on AWS solution?
Sure. So we recently worked with a customer who had a SaaS solution hosted on AWS. Part of the SaaS discovery workshop, we found out that their infrastructure was not optimized for scale. Their infrastructure was deployed manually, which took several days to deploy a new tenant. Using our expertise in the AWS well-architected framework, especially around the SaaS lands, we were able to optimize their infrastructure and reduce their deployment process to just a few hours. Once we had optimized the product and it was ready for scale, we helped the customer to list its product, his SaaS solution on the AWS marketplace. This not only enabled them to increase their deal velocity, but also reach wider audience. Overall, CloudZone approach helped improve customer infrastructure and enable them to grow their business through the AWS marketplace.
No, perfect. I think that kind of shows the broad spectrum that the CloudZone SaaS practice has to offer, right? All the way from discovery, trying to figure out what does it take to help the customer realize their vision, and then taking them through everything in between, and then also helping them scale their business through co-sell activities, right? I think the next question that I had here was to kind of understand from you, what does the SaaS competency mean to you, and how has your experience been after becoming the SaaS competency partner? And how is the value that being delivered to your customers been better? Or I'm sure it was better in the past, but it's even probably a better stage now compared to before having the SaaS competency.
All right. I will take this one. So I would say that being an AWS SaaS competency partner, it was very valuable to CloudZone, but not only. The significant impact that we see is actually on our customer side. Being able to provide provide our expertise, thanks to the fact that we have completed the SaaS competency, being a SaaS competency partner, and with the great support and that we receive from the AWS competency folks, and the tools that we receive as SaaS competency partners allows us to really build a solid SaaS solution to our customers. We are following the AWS methodology and how to build a SaaS solution, optimizing the solution from every aspect as AWS dictates it, and making sure that the AWS SaaS, according to the SaaS factory, is also well architected. But the biggest effect of on the customer side is actually the business results that we can see following the optimization of the SaaS solution, which is according to the SaaS competency layout. So what we're looking at, we see a business effect of 30% reduction of time to market, and actually an increase by 40% of the deal velocity. Now, we believe that this effect and those results are direct influenced by the fact that the SaaS solution is built according to plan and according to the AWS methodology as dictates by the SaaS competency, and utilizing the marketplace is as well driving the business forward. Now, when a customer has a strong SaaS solution, the entire team can be really focusing on the business side and making sure that the entire stakeholders within the company are focusing on how to drive the business forward. And we really believe that the true business impact is thanks to the fact that the SaaS solution is built according to plan.
Perfect. And you mentioned deal velocity, right? That compels me to ask you another question and related to that, right? So deal velocity is kind of a segue into the AWS marketplace focus that you guys have. In addition to being an AWS SaaS competency partner, you're also a third-party marketplace integrator who are showing great results here in EMEA for us, driving those AWS marketplace listings and also helping those co-sell strategies. You do have an offering called SaaS Scribe, right? Would you like to share a bit about that?
Well, our subscribe solution is comprised of four main steps. The first one, I would say, is exactly where CloudZone is expert on. So being a premier partner of AWS, we have been a part of optimizing. We're managing about 500 customers' AWS accounts. And the first part of get listed on the marketplace is making sure that your SaaS solution is optimized according to the AWS SaaS factory and well architected. So our architects and Amir, as our SaaS expert, I would say, is throwing a discovery workshop session, going through each and every pillar of AWS as defined it as a SaaS solution should be built. And we provide a list of recommendations to the customer to make sure that following those recommendations and implementing them will make sure that the listing will go well. And when AWS guys are on the backstage will do the validation of the solution, then it will be right on the spot and there won't be any delay there. Which brings me to the second stage. So if there are recommendations that need to be implemented, CloudZone holds their own DevOps team and providing professional services internal, which each and every one of those team members are an AWS certified, at least in the level of solutions architect associate, but most of the cases even more than that. And those guys receiving the scope of work from Amir exactly and understand exactly what are the modifications that need to be done on the solution. And after we have we are doing that, we're not stopping there. And in order to complete the service in the terms of the SaaS optimization, we're also providing an FTR, which is the foundational technical review that AWS really promotes and pushing us to do it for the business side of things. So the AWS guys allows us to do business around SaaS solutions which are FTR approved, and Amir with his team are delivering this option. And the customer, when he's moving and trying to do the business on the AWS marketplace, so we also have the mark of an FTR approved. And during this session, Amir is already starting the listing part, which means any type of solution, of course, the SaaS, but the AWS marketplace allows to deploy all kinds of categories on the AWS marketplace, like Amazon Machine Image and data exchange and professional services. So we're doing the entire listing part for the customer, including any type of pricing mechanism, and even creating their own landing page, which is the first page that the potential customer of our customer will see when he will be transacting through the marketplace. After we're finished the listing part, the listing part, then our customers received our business team, our business development team, and then we are instructing and actually teaching the customer to be fully operational on the AWS marketplace management portal. And we make sure each and every focal point within our customer knows exactly what he can achieve from the marketplace management portal. Either if it's the financial guys of the company, they know how to take out the financial reports. The sales guy will know how to generate private offers, and even working with consulting partners like us and really generate what AWS defines as the co-selling. And for our customers who just get listed on the marketplace, we are trying to create a three-way co-selling, which everybody can benefit, both AWS, of course, as the selling platform, our customers, which is selling a SaaS solution through the marketplace, and also for consulting partners like us, which are trying to generate more and more business to our very new customers on the marketplace.
No, perfect. No, that's very interesting. It kind of the details that you shared shows that how closely you look at every aspect in helping a customer through their journey, right? And also not just stopping there after delivering a solution, but also helping them grow their business. So that's something that I think our customers would value a lot, and it's a unique value proposition, right? So like, as I said, you guys have helped hundreds of customers in the past, but it's just early days. We've just got started. So I'd like to understand, what is CloudZone's vision for the future to help more customers who are building SaaS solutions on what is it that they could drive out of building SaaS on AWS, and what does it take for them to partner with you, and what value they could deliver. So as a closing note, what's your vision in short, right?
So at CloudZone, our vision is to continually enhance the way we support our customers in the marketplace. We see the marketplace as a key driver for accelerating go-to-market strategies and scaling business growth for our SaaS companies. Our optimal goal is to simplify and optimize the listing process for our customers, making it easier for them to get their SaaS product in front of a global audience. One of our exciting upcoming plans in the next 2 quarters is to host a 2-day AWS Marketplace Listing Bootcamp throughout a number of countries. It's an exclusive event designed to streamline the listing process and maximize the impact of SaaS products on the marketplace. At the end of this bootcamp, these startups will be listed publicly in the marketplace and enabled in co-selling. Additionally, we're focused on continuing our deep collaboration with AWS and the SaaS Factory program team to create more opportunities for our customers. By integrating the insights from the SaaS Factory team and leveraging our own expertise, we aim to support our customers not just in listing their products, but driving significant growth throughout effective co-selling strategies and marketplace optimization.
No, perfect. Thanks. And as a closing note, I just wanted to take a moment to thank the three of you for the energy that you bring to the SaaS competency program. You've really taken to it and are leading the way here, right, for us here in EMEA. And I look forward to this continued relationship, and so we can drive and deliver more value for our customers jointly. So thank you so much, and look forward to speaking to you soon.
And we want to thank you as well for pushing us forward so well, and thank you very much.
Thank you.